guys. These are the owners of the goat. They have just fed the goat. So one good thing about taking a package with them is that you are able to feed your own goat. You can choose the goat. Then you are encouraged to feed them, to come here as often as you want or as often as you can, and you can actually feed them and you can see how they grow, right? So it's very much encouraged to, you know, to create a bond with the goat of your choice, so that when it's time for the Qurban to be done, then you will know and you will have that feeling. That's exactly what, according to Rafee, that's exactly what Qurban is all about. You know, that love, that feeling of love towards that particular goat, and seeing them being slaughtered in the name of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. So all these are very much encouraged. Aidil, right now Aidil and his family is here. They will be choosing their goat for the Qurban. Right, so now they are choosing their goats right now. As you can see right here. Right, and Rafee is attending to them. Okay, so weight of roughly about 65 kg to 115 kg, from the small size ones to the super large size one. As compared to normal goats will usually weigh roughly about 20 to 35 kg. So as you can see, the smallest, even the smallest, weighs at 65 kg. That is roughly about 2 times the weight of a normal goat, right? So these goats are really huge, really big, right? Really big.
Alhamdulillah, saya dah experience tentang kambing, tentang tempat yang proses. Jadi bagi siapa yang berminat dan berhajat untuk berkorban di Singapura, live korban di Singapura, silalah hubungi Muslim Valley. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Aidil. Adanya kamu berminat untuk memilih kambing ini untuk buat korban tahun ini, boleh hubungi Muslim Valley.
Okay guys, so I've really finished going around and seeing the types of goats here, and Rafee was kind enough to show us the location of the slaughter house, or where they will be doing the slaughtering for the ibadah Qurban this year. So it was very well organized. He has placed all the equipment and all the requirements all in place, so everything is in place. So if you guys are very much interested to get hold of him, I would say, or basically wants to do your ibadah Qurban and ibadah Akikah for this year, please, I would encourage you guys to contact Muslim Valley, because Muslim Valley is the one who invited me over here to come down and, you know, record some videos for them and see the types of goats. There are different sizes, like I've already mentioned, the 4 sizes. If you are interested, I would encourage you guys to contact Muslim Valley, get an appointment, come on down here, chose the type of goats that you prefer. Then of course, after which you can always come down here as whenever you are free to feed the goats. and all that, all prior to the day of slaughter, or prior to the Qurban itself, right? So that's all for me. I'll be heading on home. I think the weather is it's getting a bit dark here. So right, they usually close, the place itself close at roughly about 4 o'clock in the late afternoon. So right, so till then guys, till the next video, this is Fazlin. Do take care and stay safe.